A very good day to you, and welcome to my quiet time room. This is where I pray for you. This is where I seek new bread, fresh manna from heaven every day from Jesus Christ for you. Folks, it's a special place. I hope you've got one. Doesn't have to be fancy. This one of mine doesn't even have a ceiling. That's why you can maybe hear the rain on the roof. I love the sound of rain, by the way. I want to talk to you today about being a cloud watcher. Now, before I speak to you, let's just go quickly to 1 Thessalonians chapter 4, and I'm reading from verse 13 through to 18. I'm going to read it straight out. But I do not want you to be ignorant, brethren, concerning those who have fallen asleep, as those who have died, lest you sorrow as others who have no hope. Maybe you've lost a loved one and you're really battling to come to grips with it. This is a message especially for you. Okay? Your loved one is not dead. They have simply changed address. Okay? They're not dead. Verse 14. For if we believe that Jesus died and rose again, even so God will bring with him those who sleep in Jesus. In other words, when the Lord comes with the second coming, he's coming back with your loved one. That's right. Verse 15. For this we say to you by the word of the Lord, that we who are alive and remain until the coming of the Lord will by no means precede, be before, those who have died. For the Lord himself will descend from heaven with a shout. What a shout that's going to be. With the voice of an archangel and with the trumpet of God, and the dead in Christ will rise first. Then we who are alive and remain shall be caught up together with him in the clouds to meet the Lord in the air. We're going to meet him in the air, folks. I mean, it's amazing, eh? You have to believe this. It's the truth. Okay? In the air. And thus we shall be always with the Lord. Verse 18. Therefore, comfort one another with these words. I want to comfort you today. I want to tell you that I'm a cloud watcher. When I wake up in the morning, I open the curtains, I look out and I say, Lord, is it today? Are you coming today? Because he says he's coming in the clouds. And he's bringing all our loved ones with him. And we're going to meet them in the air. What a day of rejoicing. You're going to meet your little son, your little daughter, your mother, your father, your uncle, your best friend, your wife, your husband. We're going to meet in the air. Those of us